Hey guys, Theo here and welcome to the Caffeine Zone where we discuss everything coffee. Today we are tasting the Nescafé Classic Brazil. Now they don't really define whether this is a Arabica or a Robusta or even a blend of the two. So unfortunately I can't give you that information. But again, on the back, 200 grams and makes approximately 111 cups. That means 2.2 grams of coffee. Let's taste it. Now, see, 1 spoon is too much. We want 4.4 to 200 ml of water. There we go. The suggested recipe for you to taste what this coffee should taste like. Again, don't use boiling water. Boiling water extracts the bitter elements from the coffee, and then you need milk and sugar. A very interesting thing to note, this one has no crema whatsoever. 2 or 3 bubbles, and that's it. Now we wait for 2 minutes. Now this is also an air-dried coffee, not freeze-dried, and this one is actually measured out of 3 beans. This is a 2 out of 3, so I guess it's the same as a 4 out of 5 or a 3 out of 4. It's not the complete dark roast, but it's close enough. Good little stir, and then sippity sip. First sip, just get your tongue used to what you've got in your mouth. And then, of course, slurpity slurp. Oh, wow, this one is creamy. Extremely creamy. Now, sweetness, acidity, bitterness. Sweetness, let's go 2 out of 10. I'll be slightly more gracious towards this one because the body is insanely creamy. Acidity, about a 4 out of 10, so not very acidic. So if you're going to be adding sugar to this, or milk, don't go too much. You're going to lose a lot of the coffee flavor. Then you're going to feel the need to add more coffee. That's going to be under extracting the coffees. That's going to make it horrible. Bitterness, I'm actually quite impressed with this bitterness. Oh, so creamy. Still about a 5 out of 10. So not a bad coffee. Now that sounds like a coffee that you would enjoy. Then Nescafé Classic Brazil is the way you should go. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and may you find your happy place in every single cup.